What's up? I'm Christine Horn, professional working Hollywood actress and life and career coach for actors. And listen, today I want to share with you 7 real reasons why you're not booking. 7 real reasons why you're not further along in your career. And listen, even if you're not an actor, this should hit home for you as well, because there's such a parallel between the actor's life and all of our lives. So whether you're an entrepreneur, a small business owner, or you just hustling at your 9 to 5, this resonates with you too. But I find that when I'm talking to people, when I'm coaching people, people say that they're stuck. Like, I feel stuck, Christine. I can't get further than I want to. Like, I'm trying, I feel stuck. Have you ever heard yourself say that you feel stuck? Well, here the fact of the matter is that you're not stuck. I believe that a lot of us are not stuck, we're stubborn. I say we're stubborn because we know really theoretically what we should be doing, we just don't do it. It's like, I know I want a 6-pack, but I haven't been doing all the things that I need to do to get that 6-pack. So I'm not stuck. I'm not out of ideas, don't know what to do next. I'm stubborn because I'm choosing not to do that thing that I know I should be doing. And specifically for actors, and you can find how you can make this resonate for you as well, there's 7 reasons that you're not as far along as you should be. And I want to share those with you today. There are really 7 fears that stop you. Fear number 1 is fear of failure. You're scared. You're scared of failing. You say you want this career, but you don't even have the guts to step out and really do what it takes, because it's hard. Being in the entertainment industry is very, very challenging. It's not for the faint of heart. You gotta have tough skin, because it is hard. And you show up every day to be judged, and you might fail. So that's a reality. Number 2 is fear of judgment. I mean, it baffles me that people say they want to be actors and entertainers and you can't deal with being judged. First of all, we're all being judged as we breathe every day. I'm being judged right now. You're being judged right now, whether you try or whether you don't. So why not go for the life that you actually say that you want and forget about the judgment? And when it comes to your career, it's part of your daily activity. When you do an audition, when you do a self-tape, when you go to an open call, you have to be judged to see if you're the right one for the job. But that's another big fear that's keeping you from where you want to be. Another one is fear of success. What will happen if I become successful? What will happen if I blow up overnight, if I win this Oscar, or if I win this Tony Award? Some of you are so afraid of success, you don't know what to do. It paralyzes you. And because you have that fear of being judged and of what family and friends will say, will people look at me different? Will they think I've changed? That is stopping you. Fear number 4, reason number 4, is fear of not being good enough. We want to be perfect. We want to be liked. But because we have such a huge fear of being good enough, we never even get started. We never even do the level of work that we know we are capable of, because we think we're not good enough. We're comparing ourselves to everybody else. Oh, she's better, she's prettier, he's got more muscles, he's been booking more jobs than me. So now you are putting all this energy into someone else, you all in someone else's lane, and not focusing on your own package, your own gifts that you were given. So that fear of not being good enough just spills over into everything that you do, and you never get any further than you are right now. Another one, your next fear number 5, is fear of competition, which is hilarious, because first of all, you have to understand that the only competition you have is you. Yes, there are other actors going up for the same roles as you, but I don't see other actors as competition. I see them, we're all actors in the journey. Only one person can get the job, and that particular job just might not have been yours. Your job is coming, or your job has come, and then you have to wait for the next one to come around. Remember that we come from an infinite source, and we get our gifts and our blessings and our bookings from an infinite source. So what? Your girl got that job. That was her job, not yours. So what? He got 3 callbacks and you have 0 this month. That's his journey, not yours. You don't know the work that other people are putting in, right? So you're worried about competition? Yeah, you should stay sharp, but be focusing on what you are doing. How can you improve daily? How can you get to your next level? Your fear number 6 that a lot of you are experiencing is fear of not having enough. This kind of connects to the competition thing. A lot of us are walking around with a lack mentality. That means we feel like there's not enough. Ooh, if she gets that booking, it's taking all the way from all my future opportunities. We are in the entertainment industry where there's TV shows and movies being filmed every day all over the world. You cannot tell me that because one woman, one guy gets what you perceived as your gig, that there's nothing else to go around. We live in an abundant universe. Again, infinite. There are infinite opportunities for potential. You have to remember that. It's like being on the beach and trying to get all the sand, trying to take all the sand. Like, no, there's plenty of sand for everybody. There's plenty of water for everybody. But if you're letting that stop you, you're focusing on that not having enough. So if all you're thinking about is lack, what I don't have enough, I don't have enough. Guess what? You're getting more not enoughness. You're gonna get more lack. You are a magnet. I teach this in my Hollywood Bound Actors Facebook group. We are booking magnets. We are just magnets. So you have to be so careful about what you put out because you're only gonna get more of that coming to you. My final tip of what you think might be stopping you, that fear, this last fear, is fear of time running out. And I know, like this is Hollywood, this is the entertainment industry. You know, we praise the young, right? We feel like there's not going to be any roles for us as we get older, right? Oh, what happens when I turn 20, when I turn 40, when I turn 60? There's going to be work. Just remember, we need actors at all ages because actors represent us in all stages of life. So stop letting all that stop you. We have to stop acting stuck. We are not stuck. We're stubborn. And we have to acknowledge that these fears are preventing us from living our fullest potential. So to run them down for you again: 1, fear of failure. 2, fear of judgment. 3, fear of success. 4, fear of not being good enough. 5, fear of competition. 6, fear of not having enough. And then 7, fear of time running out. I want you to hear something from me. I have had an opportunity to have many great things happen in my life, but there have been ebbs and flows and ups and downs, and I haven't given up. And I'm sharing this with you today because I don't want you to give up. You're not stuck, but you have to stop acting stuck. Who do you have to become to get to your next level? Your first step to booking more, your first step to being a star, your first step into making more money in your business and having better relationships and just being a better human being is to stop acting stuck. Life is a journey. Life is your book. Each day that you wake up, you get a new blank page. You get to choose what that story is. If you don't like the way that story is going, honey, turn the page and write a new story. Rip that page out, throw it away, and start fresh. Each day offers you an opportunity to live something new. Create your life by design. Create your career by design. But first you have to get out of your own way. You got to get out of your head. You got to stop blaming everybody for your lack of success and understand that you are meant for more. You can have more. You are worthy of every gift that is inside of you. So stand in your power. Remember who you are. Remember whose you are, and get to work.